Okay, good morning. I want to say a few words about the horrible tragedy of this tremendous storm in Texas, as well as the reactions that various people have had over the past few days concerning what exactly has gone on there and so forth. What I would say is just our hearts have to go out to the people there. This morning I turned on the local NPR station. I like to hear both sides of most stories. And especially on the NPR station, there's a program, it's only about 2-3 minutes long every morning, the Writer's Almanac. And I love to hear the Writer's Almanac. It brings always such interesting tidbits about history, about various authors. And it's read by, what's his name, Garrison Keillor. I don't remember his name. He used to be on the Prairie Home Companion. He has a very, unique voice. It's rather pleasant, nice to listen to. That the aesthetics of a nice voice. I know I don't have a nice voice. I know my voice is kind of annoying, but maybe other people disagree. I don't know. But yesterday I went to listen to two different speakers, and I was supposed to listen to 4 speakers, but I only listened to 2. But the first one that I heard, she was saying very nice things for her. But to be honest, her voice wasn't that pleasant to listen to, and the other one was Avi Weiss, and his voice is always quite nice to listen to as well. So Rabbi Avi Weiss. Everyone calls him Avi, but I'll call him Rabbi also. I don't want anyone to think I'm being disrespectful. So anyway, Rabbi Weiss taught us a meditation, which is a yichud type of meditation. He didn't use that term, but he said when you breathe in, that breath should be the yud, and holding the breath should be the hey. You breathe out, that's the vav, and when you hold that breathing out, is the hey. And he says that's what he does before he speaks, and he shared that with us. That reminds me of when I was a kid, we would do community plays, in the community center, the youth center. Kids would put on our plays there, and who was our coach for our drama program was Deborah Winger. She's a neighbor of ours in Sullivan County, a big actress from the 80s. So Deborah Winger taught us, what her meditation is before she goes out to act, and how she tenses up each part of her body separately and then the whole body together, and relaxes. And, how that reminds me of the Merkava meditations that assign different ichudim to each part of the body corresponding to the spheres, and how there are different nekudas that are put in the meditation to the name of Hashem, to various spheres, to represent the various parts of the body, or also other parts of the body that might not be attached to the spheres, but the gematria of the names also will spell out Hashem's name in various ways, or various multiples of Hashem's name, and things like that. And other meditations It's called the Merkava it's not the only Merkava meditation, but it's often referred to as Ma'aser Merkava, or the Kavanah is the Hurricane Harvey is Mikisa Merkava L'Shechina Kadesha, that I'm preparing myself to be a throne for the Shechina.